Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Naruto. Now I know Naruto is really popular, so if you guys have any other characters that you'd like me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll try my best. But thanks for watching and hope you enjoy. Now to start off with Naruto, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right up here with the eyes. We want to begin right about here, and we're just going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And a little line underneath it, and you can see those lines aren't touching those other ones. But we can kind of bring it down in the back a little bit. Now we want to leave some space, and we want to draw the other eye. So we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We'll make it come down a little bit on the side. And leave a little bit of space on each side right there. Inside of here, I'm going to make a circle for the eye. And we'll do the same thing over here, just make another circle. Put a little black dot inside each one for the pupil. Now I'm going to kind of line up with this eye, and we're going to come down a little bit, and we just want to draw a little line that's going to go out, and that's going to come back for the nose. With a little line right there, a little dot. Now starting here for the mouth, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to go down. We're going to make another one that's going to go down, and then it's going to come over here. Then we'll put a little line on each side to kind of show where the teeth are. Now starting up here, we want to make the eyebrow. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up. And we'll draw that same thing right above here. Right here we'll do the same thing, we're just going to come down and up right there. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down for the side of the face. Then we're going to angle it in. We're going to curve it up to right about here. Go a little bit higher. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve out. We're going to come up and then down for the ear. Right here we'll make a line that goes up with a little bump. A little line that curves around. Next I'm going to bring this line up just a little bit higher. And then we want to make his headband that comes across. So we're going to start here. We're just going to kind of bring it down and then up and go right above the top of the ear. Then we're going to bring it up. And make a line that comes down and up like this. Then we're going to make a line that goes out, and then in here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. Starting up here, we're going to draw a line that comes down to a point and then up. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come across. And now we're going to go down to a point and up. Down to a point and then back up. Then we're just going to connect right here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then back up. Then we're going to make a line that goes out, and then we're going to come in like this for the hair. Make a line that's going to come out to a point and back. Then we'll do a few more points as we come up. We'll do a couple more bigger triangle points over here. Then we'll do one that comes out and in here. Now, starting over here, well actually first let's do this. We're going to make 3 little lines right here on his face, and then we're going to make 3 kind of longer lines over here. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to kind of come back in towards the face. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come up here. Right here, let's make a curved line with 2 lines that come at an angle, and then we'll connect it here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes out and then down. I'm going to make another one that goes out and then down. And then over here, we're going to make a line that comes down, and then a couple more little curved lines for it, kind of like show where his shoulder and his arm is going to be kind of sticking out. Right here, we're going to draw a line that curves down. We're going to come out here. Then we're just going to bring this down. Bring this line up, and then we're going to curve it down and up. And then we're going to bring this one down and connect here for like his elbow. Make a little line that comes down. And we're going to draw a line that comes out here for his wrist. For his hand, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go at an angle. We're going to bring it down, and then down at an angle here. Then we'll bring it in. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then down at an angle again. And then we'll come up. Make a line that's going to come down and over. And we'll go up a little bit. We're going to come down, over, and then we're going to bring it up. Next, we're going to bring this line up here. Right over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out. We're going to come down and then up for the thumb. Right here, we're going to make a circle shape for the handle of his little knife. And then we're going to make another circular shape right inside of here. We're going to make 2 lines here. And a little line is going to curve around with another one inside of here. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down at an angle, and then one that's going to come up at an angle for his blade. And we're going to make a line that's going to come out here to a point, and then we're going to make one that comes down to a point. I'm going to make kind of like a long broken line right here, show a little bit of 3-dimensional. And we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. Then we're going to kind of curve a line up and curve one here. We're going to make a line that comes up and one that comes down for the wrist, and we'll connect the sleeve right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, in, it's going to go around. And then we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. Right about here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve. And then right here, we're going to make another line that's going to go down, and it's going to come around. Then we're going to bring this line up here. Now right here, we're going to make lines going to go up and down. We're going to make lines going to come out. It's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it back. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, or up, and we're going to make another line that's going to come over here. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to angle it back. We'll draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to come up and over. We'll add a couple little lines here, and then we're going to make this line come up. We're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to angle it down. We're going to bring it around and then up here for the foot. And right here we're going to make a line that comes over. And we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and then up here. Now starting here, let's draw a little line that's going to curve. And then we're going to add a couple more kind of little broken lines right there. We'll add another curved line here, and a line that's going to go over here. We'll add a line that's going to curve down and up, down and up, down and up, and we'll do this about 5 times. Right here, we're going to curve this line down. And we're going to put a little line that goes up and over. Right here, we're going to curve it down and up, and we're going to do this about 5 times to make the toes. Now, right over here, let's add 2 lines that come down. Then we're going to add 2 more right in the middle. I'm going to draw 2 lines that come down here. 2 lines here, and then 2 more up here. And we'll do 2 or 1 right there. Back here, we're going to make a little line that goes out. That's going to come down. We're going to make a little curved line across and 2 little lines down. Now, right back here, we want to make his arm. So I'm going to start here. We're going to make a line that's going to go out and down. Then we'll make a couple more little points here. I'll make a line that's going to go out and back. And the little line's going to go out. We're going to come down and up. Then we're going to go down here. Line's going to come down, and we're going to go around for his thumb. Little curved line. Make a line that's going to go down, come up and over, and then 1 more here. We're going to make a couple little lines here and bring some of these lines down a little farther. Make a little rectangle shape here and 1 over here. And then we're going to make a little kind of spiral shape in here. Now, up here on his headband, we're going to make a big rectangle shape. We're going to put 3 dots on each side. And then for the symbol in here, we're going to go down, and we're going to make a line that kind of curves down. We're going to bring it back, and we're going to make a little curve in there. On the hands here, we're going to add a couple little bumps above here for some knuckles. And then on the pants, we're just going to make a long line that comes down and over. Then we're going to make 2 little lines that come down here. Now the last thing we want to do is add his little bandana on here. So we're going to draw a long line that's going to come out, It's going to come down at an angle and then back. And we'll put one more over here. We're just going to go out, come down, and then bring it back. And there you go. There is your drawing of Naruto. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.